Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer server ownership on Discord. So, let's start. First, open your Discord application. Then, go to server that you own. To make sure that you truly are the owner of this server, click this drop-down button and go to server settings. Here, scroll down, and if you can see the option to delete server, it means that you truly have the full ownership of this server. Another way to verify ownership is by looking in the online list. So, close the settings, and here you can see that I've got a crown next to my username, which means that I am the owner of this server. So, if you want to transfer your server ownership to one of your members, go back to the server settings, then go to members. Here, select the member that you want to transfer ownership. Right click on it, or you can click these three dots. Then here, click transfer ownership. If you acknowledge the transferring, click this button and click this transfer ownership button. Close the settings, and as you can see, the server has its new owner. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to transfer server ownership on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video.